Okay, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, just showing you how we get ready for the hurricane prep here in Central Florida. As you can see, this is my porch right here, my inside porch. And I put all my mango trees that I could fit inside this porch right here for protection from the wind. So that's a lot of mango trees, as you can see. And let's go ahead and take a walk out here. Okay. As you can see, we take a walk out here, and I went ahead and took all the trees and I placed them in the back behind my shed, laid some trees down on the ground, and put a lot of trees close together so when the wind decides to come, they will, be so close together that there's not too much room for falling. Let's go ahead and take a walk back here. As you can see, we went ahead and we did a stake up of the trees that we couldn't move inside because they're on the ground. Just put that little tomato stake right there. And then as you can see, we have a lot of the trees just piled up with each other against here. So there you go. And this is what it looks like before the hurricane. Okay. So, some trees will have to go ahead and fend for themselves. Some will make it. Well, most of them will probably make it. I mean, the worst could happen is, a branch snaps and we have to go ahead and, trim the tree down. But I did a lot of trimming already on the trees. So, cut them down so they wouldn't be so long that we have to worry about them snapping, okay? So what we do is we try to just bunch them together. And we also have some in the garage. So we bunch them all together against the shed. This way, if they fall, they'll just knock right into each other. And just have them nice and close. Okay, and this is what it's looking like right now in Central Florida. Yes, that's what it's looking like right now. Okay, so just wanted to show you a little quick video on we're just sitting here waiting for a hurricane. This is Tuesday after 1 o'clock. I guess it should hit us between Wednesday or Thursday. And the part I'm in, we usually get a lot of wind and rain. I'm not in the flood zone, so, go ahead and wish me luck. Okay, hope you're getting a chance to see this video and what we go through when it comes to hurricane season. And have a nice day. Stay safe. God bless. Goodbye.